weekly breakdown. Welcome to the GBP AUD. We are going to start with it on the weekly breakdown. The last month of the March was the most difficult trading month. So let's try this April and see what we can get. Let's start with 6-month time frame to see what's going on. As you can see, we have monthly, 6-month, upper, lower, and midway zone. As you can see, we have been in a range or a consolidation zone where we are going to say we are seeing equal high and equal low. And so if you can see, we are seeing the seller bearish momentum, which can bring down here the market or the price. So let's go to console on a 3-month time frame to see what's going on. Okay, the internet is lagging, as you can see. Now we can see that this is 3-monthly. Okay, hold on, let me show you this. You see, we can see that you are in a range or in a consolidation. Once we are coming from that support, we can expect to return back here on the resistance. Okay, let's go on the monthly time frame to see what's happening. The internet is lagging, as we told you. As you can see, this is a monthly zone. This is a monthly zone. Okay, this is a monthly upper zone, and let us use this as a monthly lower zone so that can help us to see clearly. Okay, as we can see here, the price is below. We have been seeing that the price managed to break the monthly midway zone, so that we expect the price retested here, and you can expect that the price is going to keep dropping down. Let's go in the weekly time frame to see what's happening. Okay, that's what I was saying. I said that we are seeing that the sellers managed to break monthly upper zone, break of structure, and the retest. Can expect that the continuation here to keep moving down. And so let's console daily structure and see what can happen. Okay, as you can see, now we are in a very beautiful what, a downward trend. Okay, now you can see that during in a daily structure, still we are in a downward trend. Okay, we see that we have been seeing the break of structure here, retest, and then you can see that here we are expecting the continuation. Okay, this is higher high, this is a break of structure. You can see to create a lower low and then a lower high. You can expect that the price is going to keep moving in a downward direction. As you can see, that's what I was saying. Okay, as you can see, let's go in H4 to see if we can find an entry here. Okay, in H4 we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend here, because you see that we have been saying here like this. If you can see clearly, this is a double bottom, which is a reversal break of structure to create higher high and then higher low. We cannot enter like this to enter for sale, because the price might reverse like this and so keep moving in an uptrend. Rather, we are going to trade with the trend, because we have seen that we are in a downward trend overall. So we can expect that the price is going to break this structure to create a lower low, and then on the test on this lower high, then we enter for sell like this. That's what I expect to happen in this coming week, and so that we enter here and we targeting here, or we can even target downward, because I've seen that we are in a very strong continuation phase. Let us see our main target. As you can see here, this is might be our main target. This zone here might be our main target. So we are going to wait the break of structure, and then on this retest, that's where I will automatically enter. Okay, as you can see, even our moving average is above the price, which indicates that we are in a down trend. Okay, let's go to the next pair of USD chef. Okay, as you can see, this is USD chef. Let us start with a 6-month time frame to see what's happening. As you can see, this 6-month time frame, but the structure is not very clear. Can you see this is a clear downtrend. This is a clear downtrend, because if you can see, we have been seeing the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low consolidation, but the sellers managed to break the consolidation zone. Let's go in 3 months to see what's happening. As you can see here, as I was saying, okay, let me show you clearly. This is a 3-month zone. Okay, 3-month zone. This is also another lower zone here. This is another lower zone here. Still we are in a downtrend, because if you can see clearly here, we have been in a range or a consolidation, but sellers managed to break the consolidation zone downward. This is a monthly structure. You can see the internet is lagging. As you can see, the internet is lagging. Okay, now we can see that we have been in a range or a consolidation like this, but the sellers managed to break down here. But we expect that the buyers are going to return back here to retest on this 3-month zone before dropping down here. So what we can expect, we can see if we can capitalize on this retest move, on this move of retest here before we look for sell. Okay, this means that, okay, this is another zone here. This is another zone of lower low. Okay, this is a zone of lower low, because you can see it's like a double top break of structure. We expect it to return back to retest on the neckline before look for sell. So let us capitalize on this retest move. Okay, on the weekly structure, let us see what's happening here. Okay, as you can see here, as you can see here, look, now we are in a very clear uptrend in a weekly structure, because we are going to retest here, up there. Okay, look, that's what I was saying. We expected that the retest is going to happen on this zone before to create lower high before looking for sale. So already the price managed to break the weekly structure. Let's go in a daily structure to see what's happening. Okay, as you can see, this is a daily structure. This is a daily structure. Okay, this is a daily structure because you can see this is like a double bottom block of structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We expect that the price to keep moving in upward in order to retest this 3-month zone. Remember, we are waiting for the creation of lower high before and looking for sale. So let us see if we can capitalize on this move of the test. Okay, this is daily midway zone. Let us go in H4 to see if we can get an entry. Okay, the internet is lagging. As you can see clearly, we are in an uptrend where we are seeing higher high and higher lows. You see that I've been in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We expect that the price is going to keep moving in uptrend. So here we can expect that. Okay, how can we capitalize on this move? You see that here, yeah, like this. So we are going to wait for the block of structure like this. As we can see, block of structure retest. So we can expect that the price is going to keep moving like this here to create another higher high, and then we will capitalize on another higher low here, and then we enter for buy. Where can we target? Where can we target? We are going to target these. There is 3-month zone you have seen above here. Let us return back to the daily structure to see that zone. Oh, the internet is lagging, my friends. Ignore me. Okay, cool. Now you see what I was saying. I was saying that we automatically target this zone here. Okay, we will automatically target this zone. Okay, let's go on let us go on next pair of CAD GPY. Okay, let's start with the 3-month time frame. This is CAD GPY. CAD GPY, we are in an uptrend. How? Because we are seeing this is 3-month midway zone. This is 3-month lower and another lower zone here, and this is another 3-month upper zone. As we can see, we have been in a very clear uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We can expect to keep moving in uptrend like that. Okay, let's go in a monthly time frame to see what I'm talking about. As we can see, I said that we are in an uptrend. Okay, clearly we are in an uptrend where we are seeing that block of structure retests higher high, higher high again, higher low. We can expect that the price will retest this zone. Okay, so here, as you can see, here must be a monthly zone here for here. This is monthly upper, and this is monthly lower.
Sounds good. Can we have the check, please?
Okay, let's go in the weekly. time frame to see what I'm talking about. You see that we have been in an uptrend. You see we have been a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We expect that price is going to keep moving in this manner to retest here in 3-month upper zone. Okay, so as I was saying, you see that there is sellers, sellers are present here on this monthly, on this weekly. Okay, here we are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, but there is a lot of seller on this monthly, on this weekly support. Let's go in a daily to see if we can capitalize on this move. As we can see on a daily structure, we are in a down trend because we have been seeing, let me show you. Okay, you can see we have been initially in uptrend. We have been seeing break of structure, higher high, higher low, equal high, equal low, higher high, and then instead of seeing a higher low and then we look for a continuation in uptrend, we are seeing sellers who are trying to bring down the market. So we are not sure whether the market is going to return back down here to retest here, or if the price is going to, if this is like a manipulation. Let's go in the H4 time frame to see what we are talking about. Guys, remember, we trade with the trend until it bends. If the high time frame is bullish, so we are going to wait for the change of characters before looking for buy. So here for selling here, it's like going against the main trend. So we are going to sit tight and wait for the change of character to bullish. So we look for buy. Let's see in H4 what's going on. Okay, the internet is lagging. It's laying where I am, that's why it's lagging. Okay, now we can see we are in a down, we are like in a bearish market structure. Okay, as you can see, we are in a bearish market structure here, where we are seeing a clear high, lower low, and lower high. For example, you can see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. In this manner, we can expect that the price is going to keep moving down here. But as a professionals, we have to wait patiently for the alignment of lower time frame with a higher time frame to bullish. We can expect that here is going to be break of structure to create a high high, higher low, then enter from here. This means that this is like a manipulation, and here we are seeing also another head and shoulder. This is left shoulder. Okay, this is head, this is light shoulder. So you can expect that the price is going to break upward, so that we capitalize on it here. We will enter here. That's where we will enter here. Okay, we'll enter from here. Let's try with Euro USD and see if it can help us to see. This is our card GPY in the breakdown, and let's try with Euro USD. Okay, the internet is lagging. Here, Euro USD, let's start with 6-month time frame and see what's happening. Okay, this is okay, 3-month upper zone. This is 3-month lower zone. Okay, as you can see from a 6-month time frame, we are in a range or in a consolidation, but which is not clear. You can see we broke a structure, lower low, lower high, Okay, low, another lower low, lower high, lower low, but as you can see, we can expect the price to move in uptrend to complete this move. Let's go in 3 months where we can see the market very clearly. Okay, but you are seeing the seller, we are seeing the sellers. This is three month midway zone means what? Okay, you have been seeing we're in a lane or consolidation, but the bars managed to break here to create higher high. We expected the price to return back here to create a lower high, higher low before going to complete this zone here. Okay, so we are in a pullback phase, but where we can expect that the price will return back here on these 3 months. Okay, before keeping moving in uptrend. Let's go in a monthly time frame to see what's happening, because you are starting to see the sellers momentum or bearish momentum stepping inside the market. Okay, hold on. The internet is lagging. Okay, the internet is lagging. Komeje gukora. Okay, let's continue. As you can see, we are having this is a monthly time frame. Here we can expect that this is a block of structure, higher high, higher low, then we complete the uptrend. So we are capitalizing on this pullback phase, looking for sell. Let us go in a weekly structure to see what's happening. Okay, guys, this is African internet. This is not my fault. It's African internet. This is African internet. As you can see, it's starting to come. Okay, as you can see, we are in uptrend initial here. On a weekly time frame, we can see that you are like in uptrend, because you are seeing block of structure, high, higher low, higher high, consolidation. So based on what I've been seeing, expect the break of structure here before looking for buy. But initial here, we are in a range or a consolidation, So let's go in a daily structure or in a daily time frame to see what's happening. Okay, as you can see here, we have been in a downward trend, but have been a range or a consolidation accompanied by what? Look, we have been seeing a triple top like this, triple top, block of structure, higher, lower low, lower high. So we are seeing a range or a consolidation. We are expecting to see that the market break down towards down here. Okay, as you can see, this is like a double top here, we can expect that the sellers are going to break this structure here, retest, and then we enter for sale. Okay, let's go in H4 time frame to see what is happening. Okay, the internet of course is lagging, as all you can see. Okay, here in H4 structure, we are in a range or a consolidation where we are seeing equal lows and equal highs, Okay, so in order to enter for sale with a very clear high probability setup, we are going to sit tight and wait for the break of structure, and then we test here, and then we enter for sale. Okay, after waiting for break of this structure, and then we will enter for sale. So we are sit tight here, as you can see. We wait for the break of structure, break of this consolidation zone, wait for a test, and then we enter for sale. That's all. So guys, the internet has been lagging because it's laying outside here, and I'm in a mountainous region. That's why we're not seeing the image clearly, because it's laying outside. Okay, this is the setups for today, and let's wait for the next week. Remember to trade in shadows, but this screen is all anything which will help you to succeed in this career.